There is a switch in every mind. Not in the body. Not in the brain. But in the space between who you are and who you pretend to be. You don't feel it turn. You only feel the consequences. Rohit never lost an argument. But here is the uncomfortable truth. He never won anything either. He spoke loudly, so he never had to listen. He dominated conversations, so he never had to confront himself. People didn't respect him. They avoided the version of him that could not be reasoned with. He called this strength. But strength doesn't need noise. Inside him, something was always burning. Not violently, but patiently. One night, on a deserted road, his car stopped. No signal. No witnesses. No distractions. In that stillness, a man appeared beside his window. Rohit rolled it down just enough to speak. The stranger did not ask for help. He did not threaten him. He did not even introduce himself. He only said, "If your anger disappeared tonight, who would you be?" Rohit laughed. Because he had never considered that question. The stranger placed 2 fingers on Rohit's chest. "Close your eyes." Rohit did, and for the first time, he looked inward. He did not see fire. He did not see rage. He saw a small, ordinary switch. Faded, worn, forgotten. Every time he shouted, it moved a little. Every time he insulted, it glowed brighter. Every time he refused to admit he was wrong, it turned more red. It wasn't anger controlling him. It was his need to never feel small. Rohit opened his eyes. The stranger was gone. His phone rang. His boss. Irritated. Dismissive. Provoking. Rohit felt the familiar tightening in his chest. The switch pulsed. His mind said, "Speak, or you will lose." But a quieter thought appeared. Lose what? For the first time in years. Rohit did not react. Not because he was afraid. Not because he was wise. But because he suddenly realized. He had been arguing with the world. To avoid arguing with himself. He hung up. The next morning, his boss repeated the same insult. Same tone. Same pressure. Same game. Rohit looked at him not as an enemy, but as a mirror. He spoke calmly. Briefly. Clearly. No performance. No explosion. No need to prove himself. For the first time, he was not trying to win. He was simply present. Remember this carefully. Anger does not make you powerful. It only hides your insecurity in noise. The real control is not in winning arguments, but in choosing when not to fight them. Learn to see your red switch. Because the moment you see it, it stops owning you.